Hey, what's up everyone? It's Yilmaz here. Going to be doing an unboxing and a setup of a new standing desk I purchased from Amazon. Got the assembly instructions. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up everybody? So we're setting it up on the floor here. So it's a mobile desk, model number DMHL07-WT. I'll put the description down below. There's a bunch of different vendors on Amazon that sell these products. Almost the same exact desk from what I could tell. I just went ahead and purchased this one based on a number of the reviews. So let's take it out. Let's set it up. The instructions look fairly simple. It's about 4 steps. Hey everybody, we're back. So what I did was I cut a piece of the cardboard from the box. And I just want to keep it on the floor so I don't want to scratch the top of the table. I'm going to put it down gently. And the first step is taking the main leg of the table and pretty much lining it up here. And using screws A. So the 4 A's, which are these little ones. These should be, let me line these up here. Hey everybody, back again. So again, I got all the stuff set up on the floor, like I mentioned. I cut a piece of cardboard, put it on the floor so I don't scratch the top of the table. Got the main beam in. You have 4 screws that you need to go. I'm gonna use just a screwdriver with a 5/32 head. So just gonna try and get it in first there. All the pieces. Mess up the threads on these things, so you just want to take your time. There's not that many screws, so you're not gonna be here for 3 hours. I'm barely 5 minutes into this right now. Just making it a little tight. Tight there, last one, and tight. Perfect, cool. Next step is the bottom. So the bottom is, you could tell it's pretty simple. This one, although they don't tell you which way to put it on, but you could tell the 4, that's where the wheels are gonna go, so that's gonna be the bottom. So these go right on top right here. Kind of measure it good. Put these 4 screws in. So first, let me put these in. Let's see how this works. I get. Okay. Just try and catch one. There you go. There you go. Just trying to get all 4 in first before I get tightened. So just kind of really quick. Right, these go in. These are going in smooth. Let's see. Two. Perfect. Last one. Cool. Let me just zoom in here for everyone. There you go. So that's it. So I just got the 4 screws in. Gonna do a little tightening again. Perfect. Perfect. Let me check these out down here. Perfect. Okay, perfect. Done. And I'm not even trying hard. I'm just see if it moves hand tight. So definitely looks like I'm almost done. The next step is the wheels, and let's go from there. Here, so he's gonna go right in, and this is what the extra wrench came in for. go. Do a little switch there. There you go. The hardest part is just getting this on, because you want to make sure, because it's moving. So I'm just trying to just get it on first before I really kind of go at it here. There you go. Cool. Yeah, once you get a couple of turns in, you should be able to move with your finger to like the bottom portion. Again, a couple turns. And now you want to get, and I'll do a zoom up when I'm done here just before I flip it over to show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me finish the back wheels and then we can flip. A little difficult with these casters, but this back wheel went on so much more smoother. I think maybe because it doesn't have the lockable portion, which makes sense. Still, it's just again, I'm just trying to get it on first before I tighten them. Cool, perfect. Okay, almost down. Let me just get these. Now I got it back. Done. You don't need to over tighten these. Just hand tighten, and once it stops, try it one more slight time, and then you're done. See right there, I'm done, and that's it. Finish these up here. There you go, and done. Get that zoomed in here. Just doing the flip, so I hope you guys see it. There's right there. Gotta get you screwed, and then just kind of hand tight. I have one last leg to do. Let me unzoom that back out because I'm about to flip it once I'm done with this last piece. Okay, cool. Let me move everything out of the way. Should be able to flip it over. From a weight perspective, it feels it's about like 20, 25 pounds probably. Let's see. Hey, I just flipped the desk over. Check it out. Maneuvering pretty well. It's on hardwood floor, so I don't know. Some of the reviews say that it's a little wobbly. I'm assuming it would be wobbly on carpet, but working pretty well here. I want to do some quick specs before we kind of get into, before I kind of just check it, before I lift it up. And it looks pretty clean, no scratches on it. So desk, it's about, full desk surface is 25 inches wide and about 18 and a half inches in width. That's, and then what, all the way to the bottom, let's make sure this is actually at the bottom. Okay, so this is as down as it goes. So from the floor to the top of the desk, doing the measurements, about 29 and a half. It's pretty cool. So then what I'm gonna do is, let's check this out. So the right side here is like that hydraulic press piece. So let's see how this works. So pushing it, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. Woo, woo, to the top here. It's as high as it goes. Let's check this out. From the floor to the max height. We're just about almost 43, about 42.5 inches. Pretty cool. Let me put my laptop on it. I'm about 5'8", 5'9", so you guys can tell I feel pretty comfortable right here. My hands are very comfortable, you know, if I was gonna type, look at the screen. If I had a mouse, had plenty of room here. So I feel pretty good. I mean, I'm not bending over. I'm pretty static here. I'm standing straight. This is actually pretty cool. I'm actually pretty impressed. It's, you know, of course, I am trying to shake it, see where it's gonna happen, but again, it seems fairly sturdy. And let me move it out. Again, what I will say, probably be careful if you have like a cup of coffee on it. Don't move too fast. I don't think it's gonna spill or anything. Let me get my iced coffee, put it over here, and move it around. Again, I wouldn't recommend going fast, very fast, but with an iced coffee, it feels pretty maneuverable. Let me lower it back down. So it doesn't automatically go back down. You have to actually kind of apply some pressure. So you have to push up on the hydraulic piece and then just push down. It's actually, you know, very, very light pressure. Let me see how it is when I'm gonna get my chair out of the way here. Let's see here. Not bad. So this is my chair at the highest it goes. I feel pretty comfortable. Let me move back. You guys can see my feet. So I think this is definitely pretty comfortable. You know, got that there for my phone. So I think it looks pretty good. If you wanted a little higher, you could just kind of easily go up. Pretty cool. Definitely something I'm gonna be using over the course of the spring and summer here. Probably gonna won't be up here. I think I'm just gonna move it either to my family room or my third bedroom, but probably the family room. And it definitely, from a size perspective, I think it actually perfectly fits into. I could slide it into one of my coat closet downstairs. You know, my coat closet is pretty deep, so once you get past the coats, you could just kind of like slip it right in, and I think it's going to work fairly well, pushing it right in there. Either you go sideways or you could just go straight in and just push it right in, and I think it'll work very well into the coat closet. Again, I'll put the description of the link down below. Again, gonna wheel myself over and get a little closer to the TV screen here. So again, let me know what you guys think. It's pretty easy to put together. Literally, it was 8 screws, 4 small ones, 4 long ones. Feels pretty good. I'm going down. I'm gonna go back up again. The coffee's on it, my phone's on, my laptop's on it. I think the maneuverability is pretty cool. Again, I would recommend not using this for like racing around your house, because you definitely are going to spill something or something's going to fall potentially. But again, I was doing some of the movement tests. Definitely, I think it's very stable. Again, link down below, and let me know what you guys think. If there's any more comments, as I start using it more, I'll do a follow-up video. I'll try and do that in about maybe 2 to 3 months. Let's see. Let's give it some time. But it's it. Thanks, everyone. Take it easy.